Today, our students apply design thinking methodology to solve a real-world problem in healthcare sector. Actually, that problem is reducing or cut-shorting the time to discover a new medicine or a new drug for a new disease or existing disease. So, let's dive deeply into the stages of design thinking. So, this is Surya. So, he will be explaining about the problem statement more briefly, how this concept came into their mind, and they think that they can able to afford for this time saving for discovering a new drug or new medicine. Hi, Surya.
Hi.
So, how do you come up with this problem statement?
First of all, we are searching for problem statements in internet and every website. So we are going with the hackathon EY. So in the EY hackathon, we particularly love this problem statement because this is involved in healthcare as well as one of the crucial problem, right?
Okay.
So we just have to solve a problem. So we are from it.
Actually, you talked about the discovering new medicine or new drug. So it clearly states that if for discovering a new molecule or a molecule structure, it takes so much of time. It depends on chemistry kind of field, right? So if that's the case, means 12 or 15 years or more than that much of years it will be taking. So right now we can able to state that cancer is a deadly disease. Right now also he doesn't have a particular medicine to cure that disease. But still the people, many lakhs and lakhs people are suffering because of that. So actually this is because of the lack of medicine. Actually we have the resources, though we have the resources, but actually we doesn't get into the correct formula to find out the new drug. So how your problem statement will be coming up with a solution for this?
First of all, we are using the data from the previous medicines. Previous medicines having their own data structure, because every disease having their own structure.
Yes.
And the medicine having their structure. We have to find something that have to break the disease structure. So this is the first step to solve a problem. We have to solve a disease now. We have to break the structure of the disease. So first of all, we find a solution like that. How to break the new disease from the existing solutions. So first of all, our idea start with those.
Since you are a computer science student, how did you get into that thing? Because these are everything are related to medicine and the Medicare, healthcare field. How did you get into that? Is it very much difficult for you people to get into that kind of field?
Yes, ma'am. But if you want to crack the system, we have to understand the system, right?
Yes.
So, and we are having a biological friends
Oh,
from
okay.
they are studying medicals.
So you have been empathized with these kinds of things to get to know more about the problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Then we find the solution that if we need to break the structure now, we have to understand the structure and we have to read the existing records. Already those medicine records are having data from paramedical companies. So we have to understand the records and we have to create a new structure to break down the disease. This is a normal process to solve the problem. So our solution is also like that, which is take the previous data from the paramedical companies and factories.
How did you fetch that?
So for that, for prototype and the execution, we use the government approval data. Government sites having free data for concluding and using. So we have that facility to we can easily access because they are the free access to those websites. So they really not giving a full of data, but they just give some uses of data so we can use for our prototype. Okay. So we just start with the government sites, official sites to fill data.
Then how did you find that this is a very crucial situation and you have to work for it? So did you empathize with any other than his biology students? Did you empathize with any other sector people more to find out how to find or giving more strength to your solution?
Yes, ma'am. We have empathy with the paramedical shop owner. So by empathy with him, he just giving a lot of information to us, like what are the government rules according to this, and we are entering into a new sector now. We have to understand the government rules according to this project, right? So he give a lot of knowledge about the laws and rules and the medicines formation, everything. And we just speak with some paramedical college students and staffs to understand about this depth of this problems.
So, Priyanka, after understanding the situation, how was your travel to the solution?
As we undergo the traditional method, that's a lack of time and the collection of data was missing. It is important to collect the data from them and to fetch the data into a ML training. As we move on to the solution, we first focused on the data and we made them into a ML training.
Okay. So how about Madhusri? How was the experience of making the solution actually?
So we just created a front end using the React JS. Then we chose N10 for the back end because we use.
So here you have been integrated agentic AI in your app.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Because we are using 3 different agents in our web app.
Okay.
We can't do that in
using this integration in your app. Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
You can able to do it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have a different question. Coming to this empathize, because solution is okay, everything is okay, but empathize we need time to make it. It is the pathway for the correct solution. So have you ever talked with any survivor of COVID people who struggle without medicines? No? Okay. So it's an input for you, like if you are talking with the real survivors, means if you went for the other field, it's okay. R&D, health, pharma, it's okay. But the real survivor will be human beings, right? Normal people who seriously struggled without getting the right medicine, but those survived because of some luck or some medicines from the doctor at the correct time. Okay, so hereafter, if you are developing or going to the next level, you can go with that survivors. So you can able to update it in a very better way in that application. So, Madhusri, could you please explain the UI or agents? In any portion you got struck while making that app?
So we have 3 different agents, ma'am. Discovery agent, patent agent, and market agent.
Could you please raise your voice?
Market agent. For the discovery agent, we need accurate data. So it's not easy to get data like that. So it took us some time to find those websites that the data are given by the government. So it's trustable. So it took us some time to get that data. So that discovery agent is kind of difficult for us, ma'am. But then we figured it out, and then we implemented it.
If you don't mind, you can show this app developer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Hello everyone, so this is the software we developed for this problem statement. So the name is called Dream AI, that means drug repurposing agentic model. So here the stages are different and we create 3 agents to work together to find out the solution. So here the first home page consists of some data, and the discovery model, here you have to mention the medicine name and the disease name to find out some data like about the medicines and the sources, and here the given data with the right source where we are taken from, and the next the patent agent. So this helps to find out the expiry date or the patent's expiry time deadline of that patent. So here you can see everything, so it gives that matters. And the market agent helps to find out the marketing price for that particular what medicine. So the final master agent, it combines all input and give a one confident solution. So this is the project we have developed for this problem statement, and still this is a prototype. It's not a working model, it's just a prototype. We have worked on it to make it better. Thank you.